To add a property in SmartLegal, tap the Add Property button in the My Properties page. Begin typing in the location field, and a selectable list of property addresses will dynamically appear below. Select the relevant property address from this list when it appears. The address details will be automatically populated in the property address fields. If necessary, you can edit these address fields to correct or update specific parts of the data. In this example, we'll leave the data as is. Tap the Save button to create the new property. Once saved, you have the option to provide additional details about the property, such as a property image and owner details. The property image is completely optional and is provided for purely aesthetic reasons. To add an image, tap the Change Property Image button and upload an image file accordingly. To add an owner, tap the Add Owner button. There are 3 types of owner to select from. These are an individual owner, a company owner, or a trust owner. To add an individual owner, select Individual, and then enter their valid email address, followed by their valid mobile or cell phone number. If necessary, you can specify the category of the individual owner. For example, if they are acting as the executor of an estate, or with power of attorney, or as a guardian, or as a legal representative. If the individual owner category does not exist, then just select Other. When you specify a category for an individual owner, you can also add more information about that category. In this example, we are selecting Self to represent an individual owner acting on their own behalf. Then enter the full legal name of the individual owner, including any middle names. As before, you can search for the address of the owner by typing into the Enter a Location field. Alternatively, as a shortcut, if the individual is an owner-occupier, then you can simply tap the Use Property Address button to populate the owner's address with the property's address. Once completed, tap the Save button to update the owner's details. You can add more owners, as necessary, by again tapping the Add Owner button. The owners for a property can be a mix of individual, company or trust owners, as the case may be. If you know who will be acting as the legal representative for the owners, then you can add this person by tapping the Add Lawyer Conveyancer button. Typically, a legal representative is likely to be part of a company. Therefore, select Company accordingly and add the company name for the lawyer. The ACN and ABN fields are optional. However, if these are known, then we recommend you include these too. Then, add a valid email address and a valid mobile or cell phone number for the lawyer or legal representative. Then, select Other to enter the role of the person within the company. Lastly, add the lawyer's name and business address. Then, tap the Save button to update the lawyer's details. Once you have completed adding the necessary property details, you can view this property in the list of properties by tapping the Properties menu item. If you tap this property in the My Properties list, you can view its details accordingly. This property is now ready to have agreements and contracts added to it.